Let's learn all about number 2. 2. Ways to make 2. Word. Ways to make 2. Dice. Ways to make 2. Tally marks. Ways to make 2. Fingers. Ways to make 2. Ten frame. Ways to make 2. Dominoes. Ways to make 2. Counters. Ways to make 2. Drawing. Ways to make 2. Numeral. Let's make a circle map. Ways to make 2. Numeral, dice, tally marks, fingers, dominoes, 10 frame, counters, drawing, and word. Now you tell me ways to make 2. Show me a thumbs up if it makes a 2 and a thumbs down if it does not. Dice, dice. Counters, counters. Numeral, numeral. Tally marks, tally marks. You did great. Don't forget to like and subscribe.